Hello, it's Jeff again. Right, well, apart from the fact that I'm usually like rabbiting away, I thought with these things, I said a while back that the important thing is that if you learn something small well, it's better than learning something big badly, right? So I thought what we need to do here is something dead simple. So this is a 1 minute video just about when you get rid of the next one won't have this stupid explanation. But I mean, we'll play a chord, yeah? We'll pick a C chord. Because it's a nice chord, it sounds nice and it's part of that sequence. So we'll play a C and we'll play a C here. That's easy for me because my arms are a bit wide. If I do it like that, I'm a bit... Right, so I go... And then we go... Then a bit you can change it. You can move it to an A minor. The same, move it down, and then go. Right, do that. Learn it. And it'll give you the dexterity, it'll give you a bit more independence on your fingers. Do that, right? End the video. See you next time.